Hey, what's up everybody? And today's going to be doing one of my a locomotive roster collection update. I know it's been a while over the past. I did one of the reviews, one of my YouTube channel, which I'm going to do to showing you to revisit one of my BNSF locomotive roster collection, which is I have 5 of them, which only one of this foreign power for the BNSF. And as you know, which I've been, I already did one of the unboxing and reviews, one of my BNSF Heritage 2s, which only 2 to this point. And where are the videos, the other ones I don't talk at all, as much as I thought I would. Then I thought to myself, which is I wanted to do like the other talking, but as not as much as with my family, one of my mom's cousins and my grandma's family, which is I don't talk at all because they don't know any about the rail trains to understand. And I hope you enjoy this video. So here we go. The first one is the Heritage 2 and ES44 DC by Athearn Genesis, number 7685. I had this since of late July. That was the first only one of the Heritage 2 paint scheme. One of my favorite, big fan, one of the BNSF roster. But this is a DCC ready model of standard DC, which I have plans to get other BNSF locomotives in the future, like of an Intermountain, or I'm sorry, not Intermountain, probably a ScaleTrains rivet counter of the Tier 4 GEVOs of DCC ready models of standard DC. Probably an ES44 AC and 2 SD70 Aces of stealth DCC in the, or standard DC in the future. But I'll be getting them someday. And the next one is the other BNSF ES44 DC by Athearn Genesis, 7700, which is I want to get this one weathered and faded. This one, because I'll show you the picture of 7700, which is I want to get that one faded. But so there'll be upcoming weather in the future. Oh, going back to 7685, I want to add one of the TCS 2 function decoder for 821 pin, as well as 7700. But these 2 will be upcoming very soon, which one of the DCC decoder, no sound, basically. And the next one is a special of the foreign power. One of the BNSF related ones is the Norfolk Southern ES40 DC number 7500, which is one of the first road number that I ever had over the past couple weeks. But it's really great condition, that one. So that's good. I'll be trying to get the PTC antennas to be installed in the future over the few weeks, and add a TCS or Digitrax decoder to be installed in the future. And then finally we have the last two, which is going to be an extra one. But like I show you, this is one of the repaint on the Heritage 3 version, BNSF 7672, which is a Athearn Genesis, one of the 4th locomotive. But it has DCC and sound, which I want to plan to get this to changed from Tsunami 2 sound to Digitrax DCC decoder for a light functions and light walkways to add. And then finally we have BNSF 7724 and ES44 DC, a faded Heritage 2 version, which has like DCC and sound of that one, which I want to get one of the PTC to put right there. But I might try to get rid of the Tsunami 2 decoder and put it for sale, as well as 7672. So it'll be adding one of the Digitrax with light walkways or in others. So that's pretty much it. One of my Locomotive BNSF roster update. So I'll be trying to plan to get like the Dash 9s. The only to this point one of the Heritage 2 paint, 4982, and more Norfolk Southern ES40 DCs, and then maybe fake bonnets or GP50s, blue and yellow units. So one of the plans to get one of the BNSF locomotive models and Tier 4 GEVOs by ScaleTrains and CSX AC 4400s, and the only to this point the GEVO and Tier 4s on a BNSF intermodal train to add on a layout. But hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you all later. So take care.